What's up, everybody? How are you doing? So today I am in a place called Asagaya, and Asagaya is located on the Chuo line, or the Chuo line. Yes, the JR Chuo line. It's right next to Koenji. So since I had some business to do here in Asagaya, I thought I'd do a live and show you guys around the place. I've never shown you guys this area, I think. You guys ready? You know, it's not that cold today, but it is getting colder. Yeah. What's up, everybody? So who is here? First of all, as always, can I check with you guys the sound and the visual? Is it okay? What's up, Nashabra? What's up, Jean J? Shogun, good to see you. Andrew, BM, bruh. Johnny, Tamara. Yeah, no, I'm actually not gonna buy anything. I had to film today for check-in, so I just finished. You can't hear anything? Uh-oh, can you guys hear me? Piper says she can't hear. She can't hear me. Oh, Jenny from New York, good to see you. Hello, loud and clear? Awesome, okay. Yeah, looks like everyone can hear me. Piper? Yes, Shu, I do have data. It's a new month, and I have 20 gigabytes this month. So, Alyssa, oh really? You just got back from Tokyo. I hope you had a good time. All right, guys. So, Shu, I actually went to Starbucks. That's where I filmed today. Yeah, it's not that cold. It's not that cold. It's about maybe 10 degrees Celsius today. Now, this is the start of today's tour, walking tour. And we're actually walking towards Asagaya Station. I actually walked all the way to the end of the shopping street so that I didn't have to backtrack with you guys. What's up, Joyce? Hey, Cart Cat 23. Good to see you. So I want to show you guys a lot more with Asagaya, but today I'm going to just show you one street, and it kind of starts off like this, like really retro. Like this is a okazuya where you can buy like dishes to take home with you for really cheap prices. Shu, hi. Yes, Asagaya is not too far from where I live. I actually biked it over, bicycle. So my bicycle is actually in Koenji though. So I walk from Koenji to Asagaya, and so I do have to walk back to Koenji. But between Koenji and Asagaya, it's about, it was a 15-minute walk. And then to Koenji, it's about a 20-minute bike ride. So it's not too far. It's in my neighborhood, actually. I can actually just walk if I wanted to. Yeah. Hello, Simon. Yes. So these are the back streets. Well, not back streets. This is one of the shopping streets of Koenji, the quiet area. And you're gonna see in a while. We're just headed into the Shotengai. And Asagaya is famous for their gigantic festive Shotengai, and it's one of my favorite Shotengais in Tokyo area because there's a whole bunch of shops here. And you know, of course, if I had more time, I'd show you guys all the side streets as well. The other side of the station has a different atmosphere, and yeah, there's a lot to see. Like you can go down this street as well. You know, there's some nice cafes down there, but we're gonna go into this shopping street, and as we walk, it's gonna get more crowded. You're gonna notice, but it's one of my favorite places to come. So this is located right next to Koenji, as I mentioned earlier. It's just one station away, and it's just a few stations away from Shinjuku, and it's really nice. And this place has a lot of events. Like tomorrow and Sunday, they're gonna have an event here, a food event. So you're gonna have all the restaurants and shops serving food outside, so you can It's gonna be like a food fair. This is a place to come for world beer. Hello, everybody. Oh, Ms. Takahashi, you know an amazing tapas bar near the station? Oh, that's so cool. Really? Tell me about it. There are a lot of grocery stores here, and the prices are amazingly cheap, like much cheaper than Nogata where we live. And you know, like where we live, it's pretty cheap. Haishu, actually, no, not yet. The blossoms are not blooming yet. Not yet. Looks like the Shotengai Oyama? Really? Yeah, maybe. But this is a covered Shotengai, so it's a great place to come if it's raining. You can kind of, you know, spend a couple of hours here. Is this a place where they sell secondhand luxury goods? No, I don't think so. No, they don't. Not as far as I know. I don't think they do. This place right here, Kamasuya, we tried to buy some food here before, but they always sell out. This is a very, very like old mom and pop shop selling old-fashioned mochi, but they always sell out. So one day, and they were sold out today too. So unfortunately, can't share that with you guys. This is one of the cheap. This is one of the most reasonable places. I should say cheap places to buy fruits and vegetables. Oh, the price is just crazy here. Yeah, you see how festive it has become suddenly from where we started? You know, now it's like this festive market. And on the right side, you have Daiso with Peacock. So you have Peacock here, which is a supermarket, and you have Daiso on the basement floor. And this is oh wow. Oh, I thought they were closed. This is a great place for pastries. Very famous place for takeout pastries and Baumkuchen. It's really nice. Oh, well, hey, hi, koncha, aloha from Honolulu, Hawaii, Vineyard Zippies. Really? Wow, aloha to you. This is a shop that specializes in crafts from Germany. It's called the Small German Village. But you see, there's a lot of nice shops here. It's kind of fun to just walk around. Yeah, hey Vinny, good to see you again. And once again, if I miss your messages, please feel free to shout. Because I can see like 3 messages max on my phone right now. See, here's another grocery store here. So this shopping street is, you know, it's catering to the residents of this area. That's amazing, Vinny. So happy to hear that. Okay. Oh no, this is, yes, this is the place. This place, guys, I've been here twice. They're resting right now. They're open for lunch and dinner, so they're kind of closed. But they specialize in Japanese style Salisbury steak or hambagu. Oh my God. Satoshi and I, we think they have the best hambagu in Japan. Like seriously, it's so good. Look at that. That's with their special gorgonzola cheese. But this place is amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So yeah, check it out if you're in town. This place specializes in sake from around Japan. It's like a casual standing bar. You stand around a counter and you drink. So it's kind of cool because you don't have to stay for a long time. And because this is a residential shopping street, they have like a dentist here. They got, that's a acupuncturist. Oh, this is a nice tea market here. Very nice tea market. And this is Kaldi. And you guys know Kaldi? Kaldi is famous for foreign food. So if I'm like hankering for chocolate covered macadamia nuts from Hawaii, I could get some here if I wanted to. Okay, let's continue our tour. If we go out on that street, it's a different feel. Let's just walk really, really quickly over there. We'll come right back. So I can show you guys a different feeling of the different areas of Asagaya. And Asagaya, uh, it's very famous for being a city where it's impossible to find bad food. That's what they say. Yeah, which they're basically trying to say that the food's really good here. So here's the street where all the cars pass, and there are more shops and restaurants on this street. And right now, as you can see, because it's still cold, the trees are bare. But once the leaves start coming out, it's really, really nice. It's a very beautiful tree-lined avenue going all the way to the station. And then there are more restaurants on this side as well as that side. So anyway, let's go back into the shopping street. So how are you guys doing, everybody? Hello, Mindy's mom. Piper, can you hear now? I hope you can hear now. Okay. Oh, now like I said, like this street has a lot of takeaway food. Like here, there's a good yakitori you can take out and they cook it right there. And right there's like an old-fashioned fishmonger as well, like in this small little alley over there, which you don't see that often anymore here in Japan. Not in Tokyo anyway. And I think schools just got out maybe an hour ago, so there are a lot of families walking. Here's another little grocery store. Amazing prices. Amazing prices. Okay. The owner looks kind of scary, so I'm not gonna do any close-ups of the prices, but prices are amazing. And a lot of street food like this. This is a place that specializes in sweet potatoes. Hi, Mindy's mom. I'm good. Thank you for asking. I finished filming for a check-in just before this live stream. Oh, and if you guys like spaghetti with meat sauce, Satoshi and I, we've been here twice. It's really good. That's all they serve. Spaghetti with meat sauce. Nothing else. Yeah, that's it. Spaghetti with cream sauce? No, only meat sauce. Yeah, so it's amazing. It's really good spaghetti. And it's unlike any meat sauce you've ever tried. Shoo, really? So glad that you enjoyed the what did you just try? The sweet potatoes. Yeah, they're different from Western sweet potatoes, aren't they? And we're halfway to the station right now. So once again, it's a really long shopping street. It's a local shopping street. With all kinds of shops, like seriously, random shops, like fabric stores. You got like coffee shops, and this is a used clothing store. Right next door to it is an organic produce shop. It's a bento store. Then you have a pharmacy. Another recycle boutique. And yeah, so many places here. Asagaya is probably one of my favorite places in Tokyo. I like these local spots. They are inside of Tokyo, but it's not as touristy as Harajuku, for example, or Asakusa. I love those places. Don't get me wrong, I love those places, but I don't know. It feels so much more relaxing, when you come to these places. This place sells amazing oden outside on the street by the piece. This place has those koppepan breads, the sandwiches that we did on our videos. Right here, they sell amazing udon noodles at ridiculous prices. Right, are we almost at the station? I think so. Yeah, shoot, where are you at? Is it cold where you are? Right here, Hoshino Coffee makes amazing coffee. And they also have good food too. And the atmosphere is very nice. Oh. And this here, a lot of people miss this tiny little store. I wonder if they're closing up though. It's a really old store called Santo. And they just sell like these snacks from way back then. But the inside of their store, their shelves are kind of empty. Oh, this is amazing izakaya. I love the chicken here. The chicken here is so good. They have really good chicken wings, like this. But this is my favorite. It's called yamitsuki chicken. It looks spicy, but it's not. It does have a punch to it, but oh my god, it's amazing. I can't explain. I'm getting hungry right now, so I'm just gonna walk away. And we're almost at the station. And after that, we'll walk along some of the side streets until I run out of batteries. Yeah. Getting a little noisy now, huh? What's that noise? It's a pachinko parlor. Yes. Oh, this place is good too. For wagashi and sweets. This is so good. And it's Sakura season, so you see all the pink wagashi on sale right now. And here we are, guys. This is the end of this particular shopping street, and this is Asagaya Station. So if you hop onto this train, you'll get to Shinjuku in about 7 minutes. And that's Gongcha, famous for the bubble tea. And since I walk pretty fast, how about if I show you a little bit of the street across from there, because it's a totally different atmosphere. Would you like to see that side? Oh, did I? 100 viewers. Oh, maybe it is a record. Could be. Arnold, yeah, this is just a suburb area. It's just a suburb, But even the suburbs in Tokyo are like more city than a lot of country places in Japan. See, that's the train station. You see the train? That's the train. Okay, Nigel, thank you. Wow, there's no lines at Gongcha today. So here we are, Asagaya Station. And we're gonna walk down some of the alleys in here because you probably won't know about this place unless I show it to you guys. They have some amazing restaurants and bars in these alleys. Hey Shogun. Oh, does someone hear crows? I heard crows in the distance. Fujisoba. Everybody knows Fujisomas, right? Fujisoba can be found all over the place. So once again, that little dome over there, that's the entrance to Pearl Center, the Shotengai in Asagaya. I know a lot of people don't like crows. I noticed. This is a great wagashi place as well. And look, just by looking at their display, you know it's going to be spring soon. Right? Look at that. William, you call them ravens? Are they the same or are they different? I'm not too familiar with the names. Right, so it took me a while to discover the streets on this side. I don't know why, but you know, like looking from that side, which is always filled with people. I mean, it's visibly, you know, like festive. Like I never thought of coming down this street, but I'm gonna show you guys what this side looks like because it's a new discovery. Hi, Sarah. Really? Do you think everything's clean and tidy? Oh, this place is amazing too. One day I want to come here. It's called Gyoza Sakaba, and they are a Gyoza Izakaya that's open 24 hours. 24 hours. And they have like different varieties of gyoza. Like, it's kind of incredible, isn't it? This is all gyoza dumplings, guys. Every single one of these are gyoza dumplings. Okay, so when you come on this side, it's mostly a place for food, I think. I noticed most of these are restaurants and bars and izakayas, kind of with a more like shitamachi atmosphere. Like that's a yakitori place, not open yet because they only open at night. Oh, here's a tapas place. I wonder if this is where you were talking about. One of you guys are talking about a good tapas place in Asagaya. And here's another place that I kind of want to come with Satoshi. It's called Washin Tokyo, and they specialize in gyoza and craft beer. Gyoza and craft beer. Isn't that a great combination? Look, gyoza and craft beer. Love that. And here, look at this smaller street here. It's called Ichoi Komichi. And there's a whole bunch of bars and shops on this tiny little street. So we'll walk through here. Oh, Vinny. Are people like your roommates doing the thing again? And as you can imagine, because there are lights above us right now, hanging lights. It's not dark enough, but once it becomes nighttime, this becomes like a twinkling fantasy. It's really nice, and I like it because it's so like retro, you know. Like this is a place you can have beer and pizza and yakitori, and look, it's just like it's just a like a very simple, old-fashioned restaurant or izakaya or bar or whatever you call it. And all of these are bars. Like that's another bar, and this is a what kind of restaurant is this? This is not sure what kind of. Oh, it's a Portuguese restaurant. Wow, I didn't even notice that there was a Portuguese restaurant here. There's another little restaurant here, and another bar. Here's a shop bar. And there's a hotel in front of us, the Smile Hotel. All right. So wasn't that interesting? And there's just one more street before I end today's live stream that I'll take you guys through. If I'm not lost. I always get lost. Let's see. Am I going the right way? Is this the right way? Huh. Oh, I am going the right way. I think this is the right way. Oh, yes. I think I'm going the right way. Yes, so that's the train above me right now. That's the train. That's the metro. So the subway comes here. And that's something I didn't know. I thought it was just a JR line. That's a cute shop. I wonder what kind of shop this is. Heartseed. Oh. A Joseph. No, the Smile Hotel is actually just a normal, it's an economy hotel, I think. It's not a love hotel. So here's another street full of restaurants. Yeah, this is the street that I really like. It's called Star Road. Yeah. If you can read Japanese, it says Star Road. And these streets here have some really funky places to drink and eat. It's so nice to just hang out here. So it looks like that. Doesn't it look like something from a movie set? So we're gonna walk through this street. Be careful to look both sides so bicycles don't hit you. And all these places are just opening up because most of these places are nighttime eateries. Hey Gene, what's up? Oh, here's a, not sure what that is. It's a bar. I live here, but like so many things I don't really notice because I'm always walking past quickly. And a lot of this for the first time with you guys because I'm actually looking out for things that catch my attention. This is a fitness club, Toa Central Fitness Club. And talking about love hotels. I don't know if we have love hotels in this area because this is a suburb. But then, I mean, you could find one. Oh, look, here, this is a restaurant that serves cheap food, lots of food for a super good price. Yeah, like these are rice bowls for about 500 to 800 yen. And this is another izakaya here. But you guys see people up there? Actually, that's not real people, but that's just the part of the decoration. It's like geisha, 2 geisha ladies up there on the 2nd floor. And then right around the corner, there's a great yakitori place. Serves really good yakitori there. And here, there's another clothing store. And we have another restaurant that serves beer and Western food. Right next door is another bar. I think it's a bar. And there's a house back there. On this side, there's an Indian restaurant, clothing store, and a coffee shop. And then we come out once again to the station, but on the other side of the station. Did that make any sense to you guys? Isn't that interesting? So we're gonna walk back to the station because I need to get over there. I actually thought in the beginning, I actually thought of walking underneath the train tracks to the next station, but I already filmed that before on this channel, although it was a condensed edited version. Oh, there's a curry shop here. I didn't see that one. I didn't notice that curry shop before. Okay, I gotta check it out one of these days. So, here's the station. We're just gonna walk past because I need to get on that side. Brother, can you do a shout out to Sobawa? Hey Sobawa! What's up Sobawa? Good to see you. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Hope you're having a good day. Hi Tammy. I smell bread. I smell bread. It smells so good. So, right now we are directly under the train tracks. And you know what I'm smelling right now is the bread coming out from it's wafting from here. Look, they're making fresh bread. They bake these breads right here in-house. All right, let's cross here, shall we? I've never been to a nude beach. Have you guys ever been to a nude beach? I hear it's a liberating experience. But maybe like being in an onsen is kind of like being in a nude beach, although you're indoors. This place is called Chawan. Also a place I kind of want to like come one day. There's so many places to eat in Tokyo. It's hard to decide. I always have a difficult time trying to decide what to eat or where to eat. That's salad for you, Nasha Broad. Doesn't it look good? Oh, yeah. So, looks nice. Looks nice. Prices are pretty reasonable. Oh gosh. Unfortunately, there was an awesome sandwich place right here that they closed down. I just noticed they closed today. So right now we're walking under the train tracks. And I think I showed you guys before, but there are a lot of restaurants and stores underneath the train tracks like this. This place specializes in tonkatsu. So you can get takeout tonkatsu here, you can also eat inside. And then this place serves ramen. And it's pretty good ramen actually. And then right here, they sell vegetables, local vegetables. And you guys are gonna be surprised at the prices. It's crazy. I don't know how much vegetables are in your place, but look, it's 78 yen for a bunch of local spinach, 98 yen for a whole head of cabbage. How are the prices in your area? Is that cheap or is that expensive compared to where you live? Gene, you'll be here soon, right? It's cheap. Okay. Good to know. 99 cents in LA. So school on my right side. And then here, this is a pizza place. It's a pizza cafe. I've never been to these places. And then this is one of my favorite Starbucks. This is the Starbucks where I just came from before this live stream. It's one of the few Starbucks that's quiet because, you know, it's located in the suburb, not in the city. And there are a lot of seating. Yeah. Yes, pizza cafe. And there's outside seating as well. And we're still walking under the train tracks. Do you guys mind if I keep walking? So if I ever get a chance, go to the Nude Beach, says Vinny. How many of you guys been to the Nude Beach before? I know, what a question to ask. But, you know, Vinny recommends it. And Vinny's a cool guy. Here we have the bicycle parks. And if you're wondering how much it is to park a bicycle in Tokyo, it's for the first 2 hours it's free. So usually first 2 hours is free. After that, for every 8 hours it's 100 yen. So prices are very reasonable. Piper, afraid of nude beaches. Why? Why is that? You know, when I first went to Germany, I don't know if there's anyone from Germany here, but I stayed at the Sheraton Hotel. That's where we stayed at when I was a flight attendant. Yes, George, you do have to pay to park legally. That is, you can park illegally everywhere, but you do risk the chance of your bike being confiscated, and you have to go pick it up, and you actually pay a fine. So it's a lot more expensive. So for us, we just prefer to pay 100 yen if we're using a parking space for more than 2 hours. But like I said, it's free for the first 2 hours. Happened to you once in Kyoto, Sobowa. Really? Right? Yeah, so you don't want that happening. Yeah, because then, you know, it's so much of a hassle to try and get your bicycle back. So we have a lot of bicycle parks in the city, and it's just a lot less hassle. Thank you, Hunter, for snack time. Oh, thanks. Thanks, Hunter. Now I can look for a snack. Now this is unfortunate because here it's a street called Asagaya Anime Street. Unfortunately, I think they're closing down because it's in such a random place. And it's in such a random place, and yeah, they're not getting any business. So, as you can see, there are shops on both sides. Into something fun? No, data. I still have data, but I think that's signal underneath the train tracks here. Am I back? Let me know if I'm back, okay? I can see your messages. I think, yeah, I think I went into a place where, maybe because there are no shops. Maybe there's no signal. I have no idea. Yes, so talking about, we're gonna just keep walking, but it's kind of boring here. There's nothing to see at the moment. Maybe I'll go back on the main street. But I'm talking about my experience in Germany. I'm gonna walk on the main street and then I'll come back to the train tracks in a moment. Yeah, this street looks a little nicer, don't you think? So Germany, yeah. So I was staying at the Sheraton Hotel because all airline crews stayed there, and I wanted to go visit the sauna. And I was looking for the men's sauna, and I thought I found one because there were a couple of guys in the sauna. So I went in there, and of course you have to be completely naked. I went in there. I'm like, ah, okay. I was trying to relax, and then 5 minutes later, a couple of women came into the sauna, completely naked, and I was like, whoa! And you know, no one blinked an eye, so it was completely normal in Germany. And I asked my friends about that in Germany, and they said, yeah, that's completely normal in Germany. Yeah, so that was a shocker. Look at this yellow house. I just noticed this yellow house right next to a blue house. Sorry, so random. I just noticed and I thought it was cute. Yeah, but look, it's almost springtime, guys, because there are flowers in these planters. You know, we don't have any flowers during the winter because they just die. You know, it doesn't make sense planting flowers. Shu says, when I stay in hostels in Germany, the women walk around naked all the time. Yeah, well, I don't know if they do that, but I wouldn't be surprised. So this is just a random park. Look, there's a statue of a turtle family. Sure. Hey, Karen. Oh, let's see. What's up, Karen? Aloha, Karen. Thank you for watching. How are you doing? What time is it in Hawaii? Where you are? Where are you from? And are you in Hawaii or are you not in Hawaii anymore? Gosh, I miss Hawaii. I actually miss the weather in Hawaii. Yeah, and I miss manapua. I want to eat a manapua right now. Like seriously, I'm dying for a manapua. I should learn how to make a manapua at home. By the way, a manapua is a Hawaiian version of a char siu bao. But it's completely different. I mean, it's similar, but it's a little different. I think the bun part is different. I think the char siu part is different as well. I think the char siu from the manapua is leaner. I feel like it's a leaner. That's what I think. Oh, in Palolo. Really? Raid, you're in Palolo. Really? That's amazing. That's so amazing. You know, I really have to do a meetup in Hawaii one day. Last year, you know, it was just so busy. You know, and my mom was sick, and last time I was there, I didn't even leave the house except to get food for my mom. So yeah, unfortunately, I couldn't do a meetup there, but maybe next time. Joseph, Hawaiian bakery in Tokyo. Well, you know, there used to be, first of all, they don't have manapua. I know that. Hiya, hiya. They don't have manapua because if they had manapua here, I would know about it. I know they have Leonard's Bakery here. And I've been to it, so if I want a malasada, I go to Leonard's Bakery in Yokohama. But Yokohama's far. And so I can't always get it. And although I like malasadas, I don't crave it all the time. All right, Tamara, thank you so much for coming by. See you soon. And right now I'm walking along this really nice street, by the way. Yeah, it's really nice. Like I was just walking along this nice street, like made for walking. Isn't this nice? I thought maybe I check out some of the flowers. Not too many flowers are blooming yet. See you soon tomorrow. Good night. Oh, Vinny. No. Talking about nudism is totally fine. It's not annoying me at all whatsoever, my friend. No. The people here know that, you know, for me, like talking about sex, I mean, sex is, you know, nudity is not sex. But first of all, the nude body is totally natural, right? It's natural. Nothing wrong with the nude body. And sex is a natural thing. So I feel like we shouldn't be ashamed of that. And look, I think, is this sakura? Are sakuras starting to bloom? Here. Oh. Maybe. They're about to bloom, I think. Wow, isn't that exciting? Yes, this is the path that goes to Koenji. Exactly. So you can either walk under the train tracks or you can also walk along this road, this beautiful road. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. that's wow, this is so nice. I'm so glad that we're doing this live stream today. I get to show you guys the first signs of sakura blossoms in Tokyo. Yeah, Vinny, no, I'm like, I don't know if you call it open-minded, but I'm definitely not closed-minded. I don't judge. I don't really, I don't like people who judge. And, you know, I'm one of those people where I think, you know, the body is I mean, everyone has a body, right? We shouldn't be ashamed of it, so yeah. I feel like when we feel like we have to shun away from talking about the body or sex, I feel like we become ashamed of our bodies or something. You know, yeah, I don't like that. Hi Joseph, isn't it plum blossom season? Yes, it is actually. And plum blossoms are already blooming all over the place. I wonder if that was plums. I don't think so. I think that was sakura. I don't know. But yeah, it's plum blossom season for sure. And also momo. So these are some flowers. And I don't know what kind of flowers these are. Anybody out there know what kind of flowers these are? Oh, that's nice. It kind of grows, like the flowers grow on this stem. It's very interesting. Isn't it pretty? Wow. This is nice. Hey, Pozzo, good to see you, Pozzo. Very pretty flowers. Hey, Express Pass Explorer, good to see you. And Allison, hollyhock. Oh, okay, maybe it's hollyhock. Maybe. Hey, X-Cobra and William. Flowers are pretty, aren't they? Okay, now I'm thinking when I should turn back into, you know what, let's turn here. I'm tempted to go down this beautiful street. However, goodbye, Haya. Thank you so much for joining and saying hello. Really appreciate that. Yeah, definitely. Satoshi loves taking photos of flowers. So we're gonna go back because I don't want to get lost. Because walking on that street, it takes you to Koenji, but it takes you further away from the station. I've already made that mistake like 3 times. Look at this festive street. Look. I don't know if you can see. Let me zoom. You see all the lights down there? So that's leading to the Koenji shopping street. But I want to walk under the train tracks today, so we're gonna go this way, if you don't mind. Very cold here right now, says William. Minus 21 degrees Celsius. Wow, that is cold. That's super cold. Where are you at, William? And by the way, I know some of you guys already joined me. Oh, here's another flower, sorry. All these flowers are catching my attention. Isn't that pretty? I wonder what that is. It's pretty. I know a lot of you guys already watch my live streams on Instagram. I started doing live streams on Instagram. Because they have this cool function where I can actually allow you guys to come on camera with me. It becomes a split screen, and it's a lot of fun for me. A little bit nerve-wracking for me at the same time, because I never know who's gonna be on the other side of the camera. You like those, Piper? Oh, okay, Shogun, you like the Instagram, isn't it? I don't know, I find it, it's a different feeling from doing live streams on this YouTube platform. I don't know why. It's basically the same thing, but the Instagram one seems more casual. I can't find the right word for it, but it seems more personal. I mean, this one's personal too, I hope. But yeah, that one's pretty cool too. Yeah, I did a live stream last night in bed with Satoshi next to me, and then I did a live stream. This is Friday. Yesterday was a ramen day, right? Gosh, my days are just blurring together. Yeah, I did a live stream at Starbucks, and then I also did a live stream before that, the day before. Yeah, I'll probably do another Instagram live stream tonight. So we're nearing the station because there are a lot of these shops now, these really nice shops. This is a genuine leather, like handmade leather goods. But there are a lot of like stores around here that do like handmade items and crafts. It's that kind of part of town. It's a very bohemian part of town. You don't see any of the big brand names here in Koenji. There's a train, and that's what I like about Koenji. Look, this store called Comic Strip. See, I didn't even know that this store existed, which is why I try to, but which is why it's always good to walk down a street you've never been down before. So right here, these are the train tracks on my left side. We can walk under there, but we can walk on this street as well. Maybe we'll walk under the train tracks. Right, remember, so the easiest way to get to Asakusa is, of course, walking down this street there. Of course, the easiest would just be to take a train, because it's just one stop away. And right now we're under the train tracks again. And as you can see, there are a lot of shops. Once again, most of the shops are open at night because they are bars and izakayas. But like here, there's a curry shop. I don't recommend it. Here's a bar, izakaya. And very, very reasonable, I must say. Pozzo, thank you. I really appreciate that, Pozzo. You're amazing, thank you. And here's another, oh no, what is this? Oh, it's just a company. another izakaya on this side. I'll walk a little faster to get away from the cart because it's very noisy. And you know, make sure if you want to catch my live streams on this channel because it's very random, make sure to press that bell icon so you're notified every time I start a live stream. That would be the easiest way because I really don't know when I'll do a live stream. This is just a random cafe under the train tracks. Isn't it cool? Like I love this. The first time I discovered this place, I was so happy because it's so cool. And even the streets, if you step outside of the station, and I think I definitely showed you guys this area before, there's like all these small little streets and even more restaurants and stores. Anyway, let's continue to walk under the tracks. Yeah, so press that bell icon. That way you're going to be notified every time I start a live stream on this channel. And for Instagram, make sure you're following me. So my Instagram account is SMINE27. So easiest way to remember is Smine27. Yeah, Smine27, and make sure you press that. Is there a notification bell on Instagram? I don't think there is, but maybe press the button that will notify you when I release something on Instagram. I don't know how it works, and I do live on Instagram. I'm not really sure how it works. Hi Felix and Jean, good to see you guys. Okay, you know what? Let's walk through this very random. Oh, thank you, Nasha Broad. Awesome, thank you so much. We're gonna walk through this very old school mall to get to the. I always get scared though. Vinyl store and things from India and Nepal, and some clothing stores. Oh, it's buffering. I knew that was gonna happen. See, it always happens when I go into these places, these buildings. So let me walk out of this building. How is it now? Is it better? Always happens, huh? Like the reception is really bad when I go into buildings in Japan. And here we are at Koenji Station. So we made it. We made it to the next station. And then here we have another whole world waiting for you to discover and explore. And guess what? That's where my bicycle is parked. So let's go get my bicycle together, shall we? Oh my gosh. You know, when I first started this live stream, I was cold. But now I am kind of warm. So we're gonna pick up my bicycle from here. I think I have to pay because I think it's been over 2 hours. But we'll see. First I need to get my key. Uh-oh. What? Okay. George, no. That is a sign of that's just a sound of the traffic signal. It means you can walk. It's for people with like, what do you call? I can't remember the proper way to say it. People who can't see. Yeah. Okay. So this is the bicycle park for the blind. Yes, exactly. So here's my bicycle. So it's number 57. So I have to punch in number 57 here. I have a regular bicycle shoe, and I need to get my money out. Wait, maybe it's free. 57. Kakunin. Oh, it's 100 yen. Okay, I must get my money out. One moment, please. One moment. Gotta put this down for a while. Uh-oh. One moment. ちょっと待ってね. Excuse me, I should have prepared my 100 yen beforehand. Yeah, it's 100 yen because I've parked for longer than 2 hours. But if I came back before that, it would be free. So here we go again. 57, 100 yen. All right, and then the lock came off. So now I can take my bicycle out of its lock. And now I need to get my key out again. My bicycle key out. Here we go. So that's my bicycle key. And I just put it in here. And that's it. And it's unlocked. And I take my bicycle out. Oh, alrighty. So, oh goodness. Right. So, one moment. Let me just. ちょっと待ってね. Not abroad, thanks. Glad you do like my basket. Oh, okay, I can't do this. Alright guys, so I actually have to end this live stream because I can't seem to like take the bag off me and get on my bike with the gimbal in my hand. Alright, thanks guys. Talk to you guys later. I might be doing a live stream later on Instagram, so hope you can join me over there. Yeah, alright guys, bye. And it was a pleasure spending some time with you guys.